Welcome to Fun Palette. Today we're making Basque Cheesecake. This cheesecake, while being super easy to make, has an awesome payoff. Let's get started. Start by adding 2 pounds of softened cream cheese to the bowl of a stand mixer. Using a paddle attachment, let the mixer run until the cream cheese is fluffy before adding 1.5 cups of sugar. Let it mix until well combined, stopping to scrape down the bowl when needed. Next, add the 6 eggs, one at a time, waiting 15 seconds in between each addition. Make sure to scrape the bowl whenever it's needed. Add 2 cups of heavy cream while the mixer is still running. One teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now that everything's well combined and we scrape the bowl one more time, we add 1/3 cup of flour using a fine mesh sieve to spread it around evenly. Keep in mind this batter is very wet. We're using a 9-inch spring-form pan. Get 2 pieces of parchment paper and cut them down to approximately the width of the pan. Prepare the pan with non-stick cooking spray, or you can just use some vegetable oil. Lay the 2 sheets crosswise and flip them over into the pan. Push it into the pan until it's snugly in the bottom. After pouring all of the batter into the prepared pan, it's ready for the oven. Bake in the center of a 350-degree oven until the cheesecake is dark golden brown, but still jiggly in the middle, about 45 minutes. Let it cool on the counter for about an hour. Then remove the spring-form pan and wrap it in plastic wrap. Put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or up to overnight. To make whipped cream, start by adding 1 cup of heavy cream to the bowl of a stand mixer. Using a whisk attachment, let it mix for a few moments before adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. After about 2 minutes, you'll have soft peaks, which should look about like this. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and mix on high. Let it run on high for 2 to 3 more minutes and stop when you achieve stiff peaks. Here we used a piping bag, but you could just as easily spoon it onto the cheesecake. Using a tall cup like this is a good tip to help get the whipped cream into the bag. Take the cheesecake out of the fridge and unwrap it carefully. Using a pie server or a thin knife, lift up the cheesecake and peel back the parchment paper carefully. We used a simple circle of whipped cream in the center, and we sliced strawberries in half and spiraled them around. But here's your opportunity to get creative and decorate it however you like. Now all that's left is a final dusting of powdered sugar, and we're finished. This cheesecake really is easy to make and super delicious. We hope you'll give it a try.